The mist in our valley clings to the pines, a soft ethereal blanket that lingers as the world slowly wakes. It's a daily embrace, a gentle reminder of the mountain's quiet strength. Then a single ray of sun, a golden finger brushes the highest peak, a silent announcement, a celestial reveille, declaring that the day has officially begun. It's a promise of warmth, a beacon of hope. In Koti, blue smoke rises lazily from stone rooftops, curling into the sky, carrying the comforting scent of pine, and the promise of morning tea brewing within. Each plume tells a story of a family stirring, a hearth warming. Birds break the silence, a Himalayan bulbul's cheerful song stirs the valley to life, a cascade of notes that echoes through the trees, awakening even the sleepiest corners. Our mornings unfurl gently, deliberately, like a fern slowly opening to the light, each frond reaching for the sun's embrace. It's a lesson in patience, a reminder of nature's unhurried rhythm. Old Man Joshi appears first, his walking stick tapping a steady rhythm on the stone path, heading to the temple with a brass pot of water, a daily ritual as old as the village itself. He is the keeper of traditions, a living link to our past. No one in Koti hurries. The sun and villagers both take their time, savoring each moment, each breath of mountain air. There's no race to be won, only a life to be lived. Light reveals terraced fields, carved into the mountainside like giant steps. Patient cows grazing peacefully in the morning sun, their bells tinkling softly, and marigolds glowing in kitchen gardens, their vibrant orange a splash of color against the green landscape. The village wakes in layers, a creaking door, the sound of a new day beginning, a mother's tune, a gentle hum carrying through the morning air, a distant cowbell. Each sound is a note in our morning prayer, a symphony of daily life, gratitude woven into routine. The valley fills with soft, forgiving light, bathing everything in a golden glow, making the world feel new, cleansed, and full of possibilities. From my window I watch peace settle, a peace born of knowing the sun will rise, the birds will sing, and Joshi will walk to the temple. It's a comforting predictability, a balm for the soul. Here, time is measured by seasons, not clocks, by the blooming of flowers and the falling of leaves, a natural rhythm that dictates our lives. The day is a blank page, ready for the village to write its simple story, a story of community, resilience, and connection to the land. In this pocket of the hills, there is a deep, abiding peace, a tranquility that seeps into your bones and stays with you long after you leave. As the sun crests the majestic mountains, painting the sky with hues of gold and rose, Koti awakens and gently slips into its daily rhythm, a timeless dance of life. Men, with generations of farming knowledge etched in their faces, lead their bullocks to the terraced fields, their work a quiet, respectful partnership with the land, a bond forged over centuries. The language here is action, the creak of plows as they bite into the earth, the thud of soil as it turns, releasing the scent of life, the calls to animals, a symphony of rural life. Women move gracefully, fetching water from the springs, tending crops with practiced hands, singing old songs as they work, their voices blending with the mountain breeze. Their hands stitch the fabric of daily life, strong and beautiful, creating a tapestry of resilience. Elders sit on verandas watching the world go by, spinning wool or telling stories of the past, anchoring the village in tradition, passing down wisdom to the next generation. Children join in, learning by doing, chasing crows from corn with playful shouts, carrying tiny pots to the spring, their laughter echoing through the valley. Their school is the field, the forest, the riverbank, a living classroom of nature's wonders. Every task, no matter how small, matters to all, strengthening the bonds of community. This is the rhythm that sustains us, a harmonious blend of work, tradition, and community. In Koti, faith isn't just a belief, it's a living, breathing part of their existence, woven into every act, every interaction. It's the invisible thread that connects them all, a farmer's touch to the soil, a gesture of hope and sustenance, a child's wildflower at the temple. God is present in the ordinary, in the simple acts of devotion that color their lives. When hardship comes, as it inevitably does, the village gathers, prays together, and supports each other without question, a united front against adversity. If a roof is damaged by a storm, neighbors arrive with slate and timber, no payment expected, just genuine care and a shared sense of responsibility. True wealth isn't found in material possessions, but is measured in shared laughter, helping hands readily offered, and peaceful evenings spent together, sharing stories and companionship. Old Man Joshi, with little in worldly goods but an abundance of wisdom and captivating stories, is considered among the richest here. Our true wealth lies in community, in the bonds we share, not in currency or possessions. Planting a seed is a sacred act, a symbol of hope and renewal. Sharing a simple meal is a form of communion, a sharing of life and sustenance. Work becomes worship, a dedication to the land and community, and patience transforms into an act of unwavering faith. We trust that the seeds we plant will sprout and flourish, that the life-giving rains will come in their season, and that kindness, the cornerstone of our community, will endure through generations. This simple yet profound philosophy is as enduring and steadfast as the majestic mountains that surround us. Here in Cody, the divine is not distant or abstract, but is intimately found in every day, in every interaction, in every shared moment. Togetherness shines in small, everyday acts. When Maya's goat was lost, Ram climbed the hillside and returned it. No thanks needed. When the old schoolmaster fell ill, families sent hot meals, delivered by shy children. Even the youngest share what little they have, a sweet split among friends by the stream. New families are welcomed with garden vegetables, honey, or a hand-knitted sweater. These are gifts from the heart, symbols of belonging. Community is built on small, consistent acts of care. A pot of water for the postman, help with a neighbor's harvest. These moments are our true strength. Our greatest wealth is our willingness to look out for one another. Kindness is the quiet force that holds us together. As evening falls, the village slows, faces glow with quiet satisfaction. Wood smoke and cooking scents fill the air as the sun paints the sky in gold and purple. Families gather, sharing stories and laughter as the stars appear. Here success is a healthy crop, a mended roof, and peace at day's end. Hope is rooted in earth and each other. Small acts of goodness ripple outward. Planting a tree, sharing a meal, helping a neighbor. These are sacred acts. Our village is a testament to the power of slowness and solidarity. The day ends in reverence, the village sleeping under stars, cradled by mountains. Tomorrow the sun will rise again, and the sacred rhythm of life will continue.